Hello and welcome to this new 24 Files video in which we'll explain how to work with dynamic SharePoint sites. So what we've done in preparation of this video is we've created two SharePoint sites, one for our sales team in North America and one for our sales team in EMEA. And now what we would like to have is that when we create new opportunities, that the files and folders end up on the right SharePoint site depending on the region for the opportunity. So if we have a look at our object configuration, I have an object configuration here for the opportunity. So let's have a look. So we have an object configuration here for the opportunity for all record types, and we're making use of a feature called dynamic SharePoint sites, which means that we have a specific custom field on the records that indicates which SharePoint site we should use for a particular record. We also make use of a reference site, in this case, or EMEA sites that will guide us which metadata we should use. So we defined here a set of metadata to be used or shown inside the 24 files component, including a custom metadata field choice. And we also want users to be able to indicate a particular choice when uploading a file, as we'll see later. So that's the first thing we did. Let's also have a look at the object configuration, at the opportunity object manager, where we define two custom fields. So one, we have a region, which is a pick list field with two values, either EMEA or North America. And we have our custom fields for the SharePoint site, which is a formula field, which uses the particular convention to indicate which SharePoint site to be used for a particular record. So let's now have a look what happens when we create a new opportunity. So let's get a great sales opportunity for an account Acme. We have a close date and a stage. And obviously we should select a region as well. So let's select North America here. So the new record is being created. 24 files component is getting loaded. And what we'll see is when we hit the SharePoint icon here, we open up a SharePoint site, and hey, we end up on a North American SharePoint site, which is great. And now when we upload a document here, so let's select the document client information, we indeed see that we can also specify the metadata at uploads. And when we click done, we'll see the file is being uploaded to SharePoint and the metadata as well. So that's what I wanted to show you today. So in summary, dynamic SharePoint sites allow us to specify the SharePoint site at a record level and to make sure that files and folders are being created on the correct SharePoint site.